What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Burgess. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all life on the aircraft carrier. Show y'all some racks. It's only so much I can show y'all, but this is what racks look like on the aircraft carrier. I'm going in and show y'all mine. I'm not gonna show y'all mine because my shit fucked up. Just moved into here. But my shit is all fucked up right now. None of my shit is made. Show y'all a little bit of it. But it's the racks. I don't live on the ship. I got my own barracks. But when I go on deployment, obviously I'm gonna live on the ship. It's dark right now, cause it's Christmas, and so almost everybody gone except for some of us that's on duty day. And unfortunately, I'm one of those people that got duty day, so I got to sleep on the ship tonight. Spend my Christmas on the ship, and ship food. Not so much I can show y'all. The head, shit is nasty. Shit smells foul. People don't flush the toilet. Y'all can enjoy y'all clean bathrooms at home now. So y'all get to your ship. It's gonna look like this. It's gonna be nasty. Showers, you got to take the showers out on the ship. Yup. So I can enjoy our little spotless bathrooms at home right now. It's gonna get real when you get to the ship. Okay. I'll show another part out of my burdens. I can't take all around the whole ship, obviously, for several reasons. And the ship is humongous. There's a little spot over there you can chill. Some more racks. Another part. It's really the most I can show y'all. Enjoy y'all cleaning bathrooms right now. Cause y'all get to the ship, y'all want to use the bathroom, man. Y'all gonna have to hold y'all breath. And wipe the toilet down, cause there's always gonna be somebody that don't clean the shit. Shit is filthy here. I can show you all the function. It's gonna go work in my race working spaces. So I'm gonna have to be safe. I'm gonna have the camera down for most parts. Show y'all some smells. I can show y'all this whole area. So I'm gonna keep the phone down for this one. But I can show y'all the back one. So, bro, my brother over here done a little YouTube video showing people life on an aircraft carrier. Yeah, that's living on spots, but yeah, y'all, this is the most I can show y'all, man. This is the most I can show y'all. So enjoy our little clean spots. When I get to the ship, especially at the beginning, no matter if you get up to an Egypt before you get on the fleet, You're gonna be doing a lot of cleaning until you make petty officer third class. It's gonna be a lot of cleaning, a lot of grinding, man, a lot of mopping. We're gonna be doing more cleaning than you ever had to do in your life. So, get ready, man. And this ship is humongous, man. This is like 1%. What I just showed y'all is like 0.5% of this ship. This is just my job area, my race area. Shut up, okay. So when you get to the ship, you're gonna take a shit. Be prepared to smell the shit. I'm holding my mouth, my nose, and my mask, man. This shit is foul. Shit is not. Y'all gonna do a lot of cleaning, man. A lot of cleaning. So enjoy our spotless areas in our house. Not having to do all that cleaning. When you get to the ship, it's all gone. Up until you make third class, it's gonna get a little easier. Yeah. But all YouTube, Burgess out, man. I'll be back in another video shortly. Merry Christmas to all of y'all, man. God bless all of y'all families, man. I'll be back with another video shortly, probably today. I'm sorry I ain't been on this much lately. I've been real busy, man. You know, I'm new to my ship and busy with work and stuff. Getting things done, but I'm gonna upload more, I promise y'all. All YouTube Burgess out. Show one more time.